efficiency goes in hand with passenger experience, because unless you are an efficient airport, unless you ensure that there are no delays in departures, arrivals, and things like that, you will not have a seamless or a good experience for the passengers. So it is very important that while the terminal experience is very good for the passengers, you also have to ensure that on the operation side, the efficiencies are really very high. And the benchmark that we set for the Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru, is very, very high. In fact, um, for example, like baggage deliveries, the IATA says that you need to deliver the bags in 45 minutes. But our standards, what we have set for the ground handlers are that you have to deliver bags within domestic travelers within 21 minutes of the time that they have landed, and for international travelers 36 minutes the last bag should be delivered from the time the uh, passenger has landed at the airport. So our standards are much way higher than most of the international airports. So initially, when the operation started post COVID, uh, there were challenges in terms of ensuring that the passengers are safe in the terminal. So we had several measures. We were one of the pioneers to introduce touchless travel, the sanitizers everywhere. Ensuring that people are all with masks, maintaining the distances and things like that, because those were really challenging days. But and to post COVID, pre-COVID we were doing almost 33 million passengers per annum, and post COVID, to we were not sure as to how the scaling up will be within the aviation industry. But what surprised us most was the way the passengers came back to the airport, started traveling, you know, and uh, and simultaneously to ensure that they are safe while they are traveling. That was very challenging. But we had a fantastic team on ground, both from terminal operations, landside operations, and all the stakeholders which were there at the airport. They really came together and they ensured that the travel for the passengers through the airport is very, very safe, and which gave confidence also to the passengers to actually come back and travel. And the way we have you know gone up to almost now handling 43 million passengers per annum has been a great recovery from an airport perspective and industry perspective. One of the things that we have at Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru, which is operated by Bangalore International Airport Limited, our MD and CEO is a person with a tremendous class, and he and standards. The way he sets the standards for all of us to operate is that it's kind of a more like an hospitality industry. The customer experience is given the highest importance at this airport. And although the operations actually go hand in hand with experience, because operationally also you have to be you have to maintain a very high standard to ensure that the passenger has a excellent experience through the terminal and through the airport, in and out of the airport. So so one of the things which the entire operations team is aware of, has been made aware of, and is being trained day in and day out, is customer experience. In fact, every department has the word experience in the nomenclature, in the designation, and every person understands that finally it is the experience that we have to deliver at the airport, and that is how the human touch will never be lost at least at Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru, because we feel that the stakeholder, our most important stakeholder, is the passenger traveling through the airport, and they have to be looked after. And we believe, actually, each and every person in this organization believes that you have to touch lives, and that is our motto, that is our logo, that we have to touch lives.